2 products in 2 minutes, how to actually use the RMS eye lights. I get this question all the time. So here are a few of my favorite tips on how to make the product work, how to apply it super easily, and how to make it last all day. I hope that you love this tutorial, so let's do it together. If you're having trouble applying the RMS eye lights, which is a cream eyeshadow, then let's go through this process together. I get this question all the time. I get it through comments and DMs. Everybody's always asking me how to apply them and why their eyeshadow is not looking like my eyeshadow. So let's just kind of go through it. Okay, so what we're gonna do first, like I said, I have nothing on my eye at the moment, absolutely nothing. This is just the skin on my eye. So we're gonna start with the Jane Iredale Color Luxe eyeshadow stick in the color Alabaster. You can use the Bobbi Brown cream shadow sticks, you can use a concealer, you can use an eye primer, you can use a tinted eye primer, whatever you want. But for me, this stick just makes my eyeshadow more vivid, last longer, etc., etc. And I'll put it on very frivolously. I just kind of throw it on all over my eye. Nothing crazy underneath as well, because I'm going to apply the eye lights on the top and bottom lid as well. So this is just as quickly as I do it. No bells and whistles. That's it. Take a blending brush. Now, truly for me, I don't really discriminate against my blending brushes. To me, they both work exactly the same, but some people might find that this brush might work better with just powders, and this brush that has like the dual fibers will work better if you're using something like a cream. So that's what we're going to use today, because it's really great with cream. You can use this for concealer, you can use this for cream eyeshadows, or just for powder eyeshadows, or whatever you want to use it for. Cream or liquid. Works really, really well, but it just blends everything out. Blend, blend, blend. I blend around the edges. I blend close to my lash line. Just make sure everything is nice and smooth. Very smooth. Alright, I'm going to go like this underneath. Very nice and easy. Blend again. You can blend with your fingertip if you want to. And you can apply the eye lights with your fingertips if you want to as well. It really should be a seamless process. Alright, one more time. Now we are going to apply the eye lights on the back of our hand as like a little bit of a palette so that we can kind of work with it. We're also going to apply it with this flat, also like a dual fiber type of brush, is the number 76 Pro Flat Concealer from Sephora collection, but this is old. And this is the 4 Hourglass Crease Brush. Again, you can use this for anything. Okay, so take your eye lights, or any cream shadow. Honestly, this works for any cream shadow. It is in this little like tube thing, so you know, a little bit goes a long way. You don't need to put too much out there. So go like this. I take my little brush, and it's just like a paint, like a little paint pot. And I'm using this color Strobe for this demonstration because it's a really easy color to wear. Anybody can wear it. It's like a silvery taupe. Very, very easy, okay? And then I just kind of tilt my head back, close my eye, and then I press at the lash line and pull up, just like this. And I turn my brush vertical instead of horizontal. So I turn it like this. Instead of sweeping on the eye like this, I kind of press and pull up like that. That's my preferred method because I think it's easy. And then you can just kind of take it and just pat all the way around like that, okay? And then go on the bottom as well. Same brush, same color, same everything. And I just go all the way around. I have concealer on my skin, like underneath my eye. That's all. I don't have any powder or anything. So this should blend quite smooth. And before I get too crazy excited and do the other eye, I'm going to blend this one out. So I'm just going to take still the same brush. I'm just going to blend like this. Blend, 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 blend. Because sometimes it can be a little bit chunky-fied. It can be quite chunky on the eye. So I just like to blend it all out. And still, no matter what, I would blend anything out that I put on the eye. Just to give it that kind of real look and feel. You know what I mean? Not like something sitting on your skin, but that it's just kind of coming out of your skin. And if you can see, this is dry now. So this is not moving. Maybe a little bit's getting picked up on my brush, but whatever is left, I'm just kind of going to just go up close to my brow because I like creating that really big-eyed effect with these eye lights since they are so shimmery. Do the other eye. I like to work one eye at a time because, like I said, it's dry. There's no time to do both. The other eye is done. Super cute, super beautiful. It's a very easy application. You really can kind of just throw it on, but just be very intentional. Finish one eye before you go on to the other because you will just end up with dry product and it won't work. And my last tip is, if you're doing a full complete eye look, use the RMS eye lights as a base. So put these on first and then you can put on any other eyeshadow on top or your eyeliner, anything like that. So make that your base. Don't put a powder eyeshadow on and then put the eye lights on top because it just won't work. Okay, so that's what I'll do right now is I'll put on an eyeshadow as well. So I'll kind of go out on the outer corner and I'll just go like this. Just kind of boopity boop. Just kind of add a little something. You know what I'm saying? Do a little bit of this, do a little bit of that, throw that on. Yep. Oh, yeah. Absolutely. Stunning. And go underneath. Underneath. Mascara is on, and that's it. Hopefully this kind of gives you a few different ideas on how to apply the RMS eye lights so that you can get the best experience out of this eyeshadow. You know, I know that when you purchase something and you get quite excited about it and it doesn't really turn out to meet your expectations, it can be a little bit disappointing. So hopefully you really enjoy using these, and I give you a few different tips on, how to make it a little bit easier. Like I said, the eye base, truly, I have oily eyelids, so just using the RMS eye lights on their own, they don't stay. They definitely crease on me throughout the day if I don't put something down first. Like I said, super beautiful. They are really bright. I love the way that they look on the skin. I love how easy they are, that you can just throw them on for every day. And one little tube will last you literally a lifetime. So I hope you try this and I hope you love it. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Love you. Bye.